Hey, so if this add to story option is not available on your Instagram, let me show you how you can bring it back the quickest way possible. Open up your Instagram and go to any of your posts. Now tap on the share button and you will see this add to story option. This option shows because this is your own account. But here's the problem. When your followers or friends try to share your post to their story, or you may share someone's post on your story, they don't see this option. So now you have to know why does this happen. It's actually because of your account privacy settings. So now to solve this, from your profile, you have to tap on hamburger menu. Then go to account privacy, and from here, if your account is set to private, your followers cannot share your post to their story. So now from here, you have to turn private account off. So once it shows public, they must refresh or reload your profile, and now check your followers will be able to see the add to story option and can share your post to their story. So however, sometimes even after making your account public, you may still notice that some posts can't be shared. That's because the other person has restricted sharing from their side, or the post is shared with close friends only. So in these cases, you won't be able to add that post to your story. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.